Today, the odds from the hacked app is what I'm going to give you, and these odds, they are 90 to 99% winning assured from the hacked app, which is 100 plus odds, of which you can try a luck on it. Okay, and before we get into the odds, if you want a new fresh embossed iPhone, UK used iPhones from 7 plus to 17 Pro Max, you can just contact me on the number you see on the screen, or just contact me through WhatsApp. Then I'll get you covered for you to get your new iPhone to use as simple as that. Okay, now let's get into the odds to know the 100 plus solid odds from the hacked app, which is 90 to 99% winning assured. Now, the first on the list is the match between Levante and Atletico Madrid, and this match they tipped Asian handicap plus 0.5 for Atletico Madrid, giving an odd of 1.2. Napoli Fiorentina over 0.5 goals for Napoli, giving an odd of 1.24. Also, Elche Barcelona straight win by 2 up for Barcelona, giving an odd of 1.31. Liverpool versus Newcastle, this match they tipped over 0.5 goals for Newcastle, giving an odd of 1.38. And Leeds United Arsenal, this match they tipped straight win by 2 up for Arsenal. RB Leipzig Mainz 05 straight win by 2 up for RB Leipzig, giving an order of 1.6. Hamburger versus Bayern Munich, this match they tipped straight win by 2 up for Bayern Munich, giving an order of 1.31. Also, Paris FC versus Marseille, they tipped straight win by 2 up for Marseille, giving an order of 1.83. Monaco Rennes, they tipped over 0.5 goals for Rennes, giving an order of 1.29. Also, Dakar Prague versus Sparta Prague, they tipped straight win by 2 up for Sparta Prague, giving an order of 1.42. Chelsea West Ham, straight win by 2 up for Chelsea, giving an order of 1.54. Hoffenheim Union Berlin, over 0.5 goals for Hoffenheim, giving an order of 1.2. Wolves versus Bournemouth, this match they tipped over 0.5 goals for Bournemouth, giving an order of 1.25. Osasuna Villarreal, this match they tipped over 1.5 goals with an early goal, giving an order of 1.27. And Brighton versus Everton, they tipped over 1.5 goals with an early goal, giving an order of 1.27. So these are the games from the hacked app, giving an order of 100 plus odds, of which you can try your luck on it to know how these odds are going to bless us for today. If you like watching content like this, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and turn notifications so that anytime I drop new video concerning content like this, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. We hope to see greens, and greens shall we see today.